Ya, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This is a video tutorial on how to add space between lines and paragraph in Microsoft Word. And after opening your Microsoft Word, you will focus in the paragraph, and this is the sample text that I will use. Okay. Word allows you fine-tune the lines and paragraph spacing in your document. In this example, I'd like to start by changing the line spacing, which is the space between each lines of text. I will start by selecting some text. Just click CTRL plus A like this. If you wanna just select the word, just like double click and drag your cursor. Okay, CTRL plus A. And then in the paragraph groove, click the line and paragraph spacing command. By default, the line spacing is 1.08. So if you change to 1.0, the line will be the little closer together. And if you choose 2.0, there'll be trouble space. But if you want to have more precise control, click the line spacing option. There are two things you can change. The line spacing mode, the amount. When the mode is okay, when the mode is set to multiple, like this, the you can type the number of line spacing you want. The default is 3, so we might change it to something like okay, it's like this. 5 to spread the lines out a little bit. If you're more accustomed to measuring in points, like with font size, you can select exactly like this. Usually, you want the spacing to be a little bit larger than the font size, since I have to point. I'd like to set it about 14, 14, oh, 14, 5, 50, 15. Uh, I choose 15. I like to set it about 15. Now you may notice that there is some extra space. Okay. Extra space between each paragraph. That because Word adds paragraph spacing by default. If you want to, can remove it or change it the amount of space. Make sure the text is select and then click the lines and the paragraph spacing command. This And then at the bottom of the list, there are two options. Add space before paragraph and remove space after paragraph. This option will vary depending on the current paragraph spacing, just like with line spacing. If you wanna to fine tune, if you wanna fine tune the paragraph spacing, go to the lines spacing option, and then you can type in picture value you want to the space, this spacing option, and go to the line spacing option, and then you can type whichever whichever values you want for the space before and after. I think I'll try to 10 point 10 point after each paragraph, and then click OK. Like this. I think these look pretty good, but if you don't like um the way the lines or paragraph spacing looks, you can go back and adjust it until your document looks and the way that you want. Okay, that's all. I explained tutorial about adding space between lines and paragraph. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Ya, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This is a video tutorial on how to add space between lines and paragraph in Microsoft Word.